That little sneeze can be cute, but sometimes it can be a sign of something more. So why is your cat sneezing? And when should you be concerned? Most of the time, sneezing is just a normal reaction. Your cat might have simply inhaled a bit of dust, pollen, or another irritant from the air. This is just their body's way of clearing their nasal passages. But if the sneezing is persistent and comes with other symptoms, it's time to pay closer attention. Look for other signs like discharge from the eyes or nose, coughing, lethargy, or loss of appetite. These, combined with sneezing, often point to an upper respiratory infection, which is like a common cold for cats. Surprisingly, sneezing can also be a sign of dental disease. An infection in an upper tooth root can lead to inflammation and drainage into the nasal passages, causing sneezing. The bottom line? An occasional sneeze is normal, but if it's frequent, severe, or accompanied by any other symptoms, a checkup is always the safest bet. Has your cat ever had a sneezing fit? Share your story below and subscribe for more essential vet-approved tips.